Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel AglaSem Schools. Today in this video I will be covering chapter 3 of class 10 science, that is metals and non-metals. So let's discuss question and answers. Here question number 1 says, which of the following pairs will give displacement reactions? A. NaCl solution and copper metal. B. MgCl2 solution in aluminium metal. C. FeSO4 solution and silver metal. And D is AgNO3 solution and copper metal. So answer is D, that is AgNO3 solution and copper metal. Further, question number 2 says, which of the following methods is suitable for preventing an iron frying pan from rusting? First, applying grease. Second, applying paint. Third, applying a coating of zinc. And the D is all of the above. Answer is C, that is applying a coating of zinc. Further, question number 3 says, an element reacts with oxygen to give a compound with high melting point. This compound is also soluble in water. The element is likely to be A. Calcium, B. Carbon, C. Silicon, and the D is iron. The answer is A, that is calcium. Further, moving to question number 4, which says food cans are coated with tin and not with zinc because A part says zinc is costlier than tin. B part says zinc has a higher melting point than tin. And third part says zinc is less reactive than tin. And fourth is zinc is more reactive than tin. Answer is D, that is zinc is more reactive than tin. Now question number 5 says, you are given a hammer, a battery, a bulb, wires and switch. First, how could you use them to distinguish between samples of metals and non-metals? Answer is, metals can be beaten into thin sheets with the hammer without breaking, whereas non-metal cannot be beaten with the hammer to form thin sheets. Non-metals break into pieces when hammered. Metals are malleable while non-metals are non-malleable. When metals are connected into a circuit using a battery, bulb, wires and switch, current passes through the circuit and the bulb glows. When non-metal like sulfur are connected, the bulb does not light up at all. So, metals are good conductor of electricity. Further, second is, assess the usefulness of these tests in distinguish between metals and non-metals. Answer is, because of malleability, metals can be casted into sheets. Metals are good conductor of electricity, so these can be used for electrical cables. Now, question number 6 says, write chemical equations that show aluminium oxide reacts with acid as well as base. Answer is, those metal oxides which show basic as well as an acidic behavior are known as amphoratric oxides. In other words, metal oxides that react with both acids and bases to form salt amphoteric oxides, and aluminium oxide and zinc oxide are amphoteric in nature. Further, the equation will be Al2O3 plus 6HCl will give you 2AlCl3 plus 3H2O. Further, second is ZnO plus 2HCl will give you ZnCl2 plus H2O. Further, question number 7 says, name two metals which will displace hydrogen from dilute acids and two metals which will not. Answer is, first, metals above hydrogen in the activity series like sodium, magnesium displace hydrogen from dilute acid, whereas metals below hydrogen in the activity series like copper, silver do not displace hydrogen from dilute acids. Now question number 8 says, in the electrolyte refining of a metal M, what would you take as the anode, the cathode and electrolyte? Answer is, cathode will be pure metal, anode will be impure metal, And the last one, that is electrolyte, will be metal salt solution. For the question number 6 says, Pratyush took sulfur powder on the spatula and heated it. He collected the gas evolved by inverting a test tube over it, as shown in the figure. So guys, you can see the figure in your book. A. What will be the reaction of gas on? First, dry litmus paper. Answer is no reaction. Second, moist litmus paper. Answer is becomes red. For the second part says, write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction taken place. Answer is S plus O2 will give you SO2. That is, SO2 plus H2O will give you H2SO3. Now question number 10 says, state 2 ways to prevent the rusting of iron. Answer is by painting and the second is by galvanizing. For the question number 11 says, what type of oxides are formed when non-metal combine with oxygen? Answer is non-metal combine with oxygen to form acidic oxide or neutral oxide. Acidic oxide as sulfur dioxide, that is S plus O2, will give you SO2, and neutral oxide as water, which means 2H2 plus O2 will give you 2H2O. Further, question number 12 says, give reason. Part A says, platinum, gold and silver are used to make jewelry. Answer is, platinum, gold and silver are used to make jewelry because these are malleable and ductile. These are highly resistant to corrosion. Second, sodium, potassium and lithium are stored under oil. Answer is, sodium, potassium and lithium are very reactive and catch fire when exposed to air. This is due to their low ignition temperature and high reactivity. For the third is, aluminium is a highly reactive metal, yet it is used to make utensils for cooking. Answer is, aluminium forms a non-reactive layer of aluminium oxide on its surface. This layer prevents aluminium from reacting with other substance. That's why aluminium is used to make cooking utensils. Further, D part says, carbonate and sulfide ores are usually converted into oxides during the process of extraction. Answer is, it is easier to reduce metal oxide into free metal, since it is easier to obtain metals from their oxide than from their carbonates or sulfides directly. Therefore, the carbonates and sulfide ores are first converted into oxide for extracting the metals. For the question number 13 says, you must have seen tarnished copper vessels being cleaned with lemon or turmeric juice. Explain why these source substances are effective in cleaning the vessels. Answer is, the source substances such as lemon or turmeric juice contain acids. These acids dissolve the coating of copper oxide or basic copper carbonate present on the surface of tarnished copper vessels and makes them shining red-brown again. Now question number 14 says, differentiate between metal and non-metal on the basis of their chemical properties. Answer is, first, let's talk about metal. Metals from basic oxides or atmospheric oxides. Second, metals replace hydrogen from acids and form salt. Third, with chlorine, metals from chlorides which are electrovalent. And the fourth is, with hydrogen, few metals form hydrides which are electrovalent. Now, let's talk about non-metal. First, non-metals from acidic or neutral oxide. Second, non-metal does not replace hydrogen from acids. Third, with chlorine, non-metal form chlorides which are covalent. And the fourth point is, with hydrogen, non-metals form many stable hydrides which are covalent. Now, question number 15 says, a man went door to door posing as a goldsmith. He promised to bring back the glitter of gold and dull gold ornament. An unsuspecting lady gave a set of gold bangles to him, which he dipped into a particular solution. The bangles sparkled like new, but their weight was reduced drastically. The lady was upset, but after a futile argument, a man beat a hasty retreat. Can you play the detective to find out the nature of a solution he has used? Answer is, the dishonest goldsmith dipped the gold bangles into aqua regia, which contained 1 part of concentrated nitric acid and 3 parts of concentrated hydrochloric acid by volume. Aqua regia dissolved a considerable amount of gold from gold bangles and hence reduced their weight drastically. The dishonest goldsmith can remove the dissolved gold from aqua regia by a suitable treatment. Now question number 16 says, give reason why copper is used to make hot water tanks and not steel. Answer is, first, copper is better conductor of heat than steel. Second, copper does not corrode easily, but steel corrodes easily. Third, copper does not react with water at any temperature, whereas iron reacts with water on heating. So guys, here I have covered all the questions of this chapter in this video. I hope you like this video. And if you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For more such NCERT solutions, keep watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel AglaSem Schools. And do not forget to wear a mask and take good care of your health.